Welcome back to day 11 of the unboxing.
So it looks like we have COREtec next. You know, COREtec is a Shaw company, so I expect this to be pretty nice. All right. Pull it out here. Ooh, this is really nice. All right. Oh, this is nice. Okay. So nice packaging. This is like very, honestly, much nicer than a lot of the other samples I've seen. They put a lot of work into the presentation of this. I know this took about 10 days to get here. The samples were free. And I know there should be 2 samples in here. Let me just pull it out. Okay, so here's the sample. And it looks like the sample also came with a pamphlet, which is nice. All right, so the back of the sample has the style and the color. Really easy to find. Really easy to find the website, COREtecFloors.com, and you can tell this is a Shaw brand right away, right? I mean, this looks just like the Shaw box we just opened. Looks a lot like it. Yeah, honestly, this is really nice. No complaints with this at all. Sample's nice, good size, good explanation on this pamphlet. Overall, good experience.
Wait, there's one more.
It's another COREtec. We got another COREtec. Wow, didn't realize I ordered this much COREtec, but we got another COREtec box here. This one is different than the other one. I wonder why they came in 2 different boxes. This one is a little bit, definitely heavier. So let's open up this box. This one feels fancier. Even the way it opens. Ooh, that was nice. Okay. So that came open just like that in this box. What's in your COREtec? I mean, this is the nicest box. Oh, the front, from one true original to another. This is a very nice box. Like you could put, I might keep this box. It's nice. Okay. So let's see the product here. I mean, visuals really nice. Again, just like any Shaw and the COREtec brand, style is on the back, colors on the back, makes this really, really easy. And again, another pamphlet. I mean, Shaw has a lot of pamphlets, it seems, really good branding. This is a little bit different than the other one, but yeah, again, gotta give it to them. That was a really good experience opening it. This is a, pretty good size and really helps me understand what this product is. So again, another good job here.
Want to see how your customers are receiving samples from manufacturers? Check back tomorrow for another unboxing. Be sure to like and subscribe to our channel so you can be notified when we drop brand new content.